everyone, and welcome back to the Shabby Doll House. My name is Laura. Thank you so much for joining me today. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful junk journal cover wrap. This was inspired by the beautiful, lovely Martha at Bird & Barn Designs. And she had made a brooch book and had a wrap around it. And I thought it was just absolutely beautiful. So I asked her if it would be okay if I made a video showing how I made mine. And she's like, of course, go ahead. So thank you, Martha, for your inspiration. And so this is what it looks like. This is the front, and I know I keep making stuff with roses, but I'm just obsessed with roses right now. All of my roses are blooming outside, and I just want to keep incorporating them into my projects. I just think they're so lovely. But anyway, so here's the back. And I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who follow me and comment on my videos. It means the world to me, y'all. And I just hope that I can always inspire you. So with that being said, I hope that y'all like this video, and please let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Alright, so let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, so to make this beautiful shabby chic journal wrap, you're going to need some felt, measuring 9 by 10. You're going to need some flowers, some satin ribbon, some trims. I'm also going to be putting some satin on one side, and I'm also going to be covering the back and the front with this pretty lace. So you don't have to use flowers. You can just use a beautiful image with some appliques and stuff around it. So this piece measures 9 by 10, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold this in half. And before I sew around it, which by the way, you don't have to sew, you can just use your hot glue gun. Before I sew it, I'm going to add my satin trim here on the insides. So what I'm going to do is do that and add my satin and my lace, and I will be right back. Okay, so I already have my satin and lace on this side, and I already cut that out. So now I'm going to work on this other side, and I'm just going to put lace. I'm not going to put satin on both sides. Alright, so I'm just going to sew this on real quick. Okay. And there we have it. Now I'm going to cut this off, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I have it all sewn around, and which, by the way, I forgot to mention that this ribbon is about 14 inches long on both sides. You want to make sure that you have plenty of ribbon so that you can wrap it around whatever size journal you need. And also, this fits a journal measuring 6 by 9. So, and it's probably a 2-inch spine. Let's see. Yeah, 2-inch spine. So you can make this bigger or smaller depending on the size journal you're making. Okay, so I had to pause y'all because my dog started barking. Okay, so what I was saying was you can make this bigger or smaller depending on the size of your journal or your fabric book. So now we're just going to use a hot glue gun and glue the rest on, which is, I mean, this is a very simple, easy project. You don't have to sew. You can just, you know, use Fabri-Tac or your hot glue to do this part. So I'm going to scooch my chair up, and we are going to add our laces and everything on here. This is beautiful lace that I got from Martha at Bird and Barn Designs. This is so beautiful, y'all. So I'm just going to decorate it the same way that I did the other one. So I'm just going to start gluing, and I hope that I'm still in frame. Oh my goodness. Let me check real quick. Okay. And also, I have made 5 of these. I think what I'm going to do is make kits with them instead of putting them in my Etsy shop. So be on the lookout for those. This is very fun and easy to do, and it just looks so pretty wrapped around your books, your journals. And I don't know if Martha, you know, if this was her original idea or she saw somebody else do it. I have no idea. But I just thought it was really pretty and wanted to try it. So I hope that y'all try it too. It's fun and it doesn't take very long. Alright, so I'm going to cut that off. Alright. Now I'm going to do it on the other side here. Now, if you wanted to just sew all this on, you could, but you're going to have to use glue for your flowers. Either way, it's up to you. So I hope that y'all liked my little intro. Oh my gosh, y'all, that's so embarrassing showing your face, but I really wanted to connect with y'all and let y'all know that I really do appreciate you all so much. It's really fun to craft, and I love to share. You know, share how I do it and everything. I used to be so nervous to make videos, but I'm really trying, y'all. But anyway, all right, so now we're going to add another trim, and I think I'm going to use this one. This is also from Bird and Barn Designs, Martha. So pretty. So I'm going to put this all the way around. Let me go ahead and get another glue stick. All right. I'm going to start over here. And you also don't have to use felt. If you want to just use like a thick canvas fabric, you can. Or just regular fabric. It's up to you how thick you want it and everything else. No rules really. Just make it as big as you want or small as you want. I hope my dog don't start barking again. She only wants to bark when I film. She's so loud. She is part Pyrenees and she's huge, y'all. She's very beautiful though. She just stumbled across, you know, my driveway one day, and no one ever came to look for her. I didn't see any signs anywhere, you know, of anyone looking for her. So I begged my husband. I literally begged him. We already had another dog at that time. She has passed away, but they got along so good until she got older. And then they started fighting when it was time to eat. So she's a very protective, beautiful dog. I love her so much. Whenever she came up, she just followed me all over the yard. And it's like, I don't know, I just feel like she was meant for me to have, because I always wanted a good watchdog, and she just came up one day. And I brought her to the vet, and we got all her shots and everything, and I just love her. She's like 2 years old now. Yeah, she's about 2. She does get on my nerves though, with all that barking. Okay, so now I'm going to add my ruffle. And this ruffle here, you can get this at Hobby Lobby. I love, love, love this. So what I'm going to do is kind of not put it in the middle, but like about up here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that off right there, as straight as possible. That's all I have left after making all of these. Okay, I'm gonna have to stand up. Sorry, I'm gonna have to stand up because I just can't really see what I'm doing, and I keep hitting the camera and everything else. My phone was on charge and my glue gun cord keeps hitting it. So, all right, I need another glue stick. Okay, so I'm gonna put it about right here. Okay. Try to get it as straight as possible. Like that. There we go. Okay, got glue webs. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is lift this part up because I just like that ruffle on top. And then I'm going to add my flowers, which are these here, the ones that I've been using on a lot of projects. And I have another project coming up that I've got roses on as well. Just can't help myself, y'all. Gotta use them roses. Alright, so I'm gonna just stick that right in the middle there. Okay, and I'm gonna put these two on the other side. Well, one on the side and another on the other. And we will be done, y'all. See how quick and easy and fun this was? Very fun. And you can make these any way you want to. You can use paper, images, don't have to be fabric. I would recommend using some type of fabric so it'll wrap around your book. Okay, so there is our journal wrap. See how quick and easy and fun that was to do? So let me show you. I'm going to wrap it around this book. This was a project that I did a while back, and I took the frame off. But so this is how it will go. Wrap it around. And on the other ones, I did add lace on the bottoms of the trim to make it look prettier. You don't have to do that. But there we go. So you can kind of fold these down a little bit, like inward. Or you know what else you could do? You could put trim on the top and the bottom. That actually might be better, so that it will hold on the sides like this. But either way you do it, it still looks very beautiful. And I hope that y'all like this video. And please let me know what y'all think down below. I appreciate you all so very much for watching. And I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.